Oh, look at these little cutie pies. We've got Monet and Millie's puppies together because I think, as I mentioned before, Monet took over with Millie's puppies so Millie could nurse Haley's puppies since we lost Haley. So they are living together as siblings. They're doing so great, playing together, eating together. They're getting so big. It's almost time for Monet's puppies to leave. Monday they will be 8 weeks old. Hard to believe. They're going to be going home. So we've got a little black boy right up front here is Orazio. And then behind him is his sister, Allegra. Then towards the back of the crate, oh, I don't know if you can see her, it's so shadowed. That's Onika and Omri back there. Must be time to go potty. And then we've got Millie's three playing right here. We've got Arosa, who has, you can tell her from Oscar because she's got more color over both sides of the face than Oscar does. Oscar just has it over one side of the face and the ear, where Arosa has it over both sides a little more. And then the little white one with black markings is Orban. So I think that's Arosa and Orban playing, and then Oscar just laying there next to Orazio and Allegra. They're kind of chill right now. I grabbed a water bottle last night for them. Let me see if I can get this to turn a little better so I can point it down more. There we go. So I saved this water bottle because it's one of the cheap crinkly ones. Oh, somebody threw it away. Dang it. Mike must have thrown it away. Ah! Ah, here it is. Thought it would be fun to see how they reacted to it. They just love the sound of these water bottles. Take the label and the lid off, and then I only give them this if I'm here to supervise. Look at them, like don't know what to do with it. What is that thing? We got Onika's the brave one. Doesn't have much of a smell, does it? It's just water. Bark at it. Razio's barking at it. You can have so much fun with puppies with the simplest things. Like a crinkly water bottle. What? 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 Is that scary? Let's see what they do. They're all like scared of it. Here's Omri. He's going to check it out. And Orban's gonna check it out with Omri. Oh, did you see her? Onika, are you doing gymnastics, Onika? Huh? Are you doing gymnastics? Part of the socialization of puppies is to introduce them to new sounds, and textures, because their startle response is very quick, like 4 seconds. So they get startled and then they recover very, very quickly. And you want to do that. You want to cause that, because then as they get older, they begin to realize that things that startle them don't have to be something they run and hide from, that they'll recover from it. So it's just part of the socialization process. So last night when I drank water out of that bottle, I thought, oh, a new sound for the puppies to take home. We'll see what they do with it later today. Orbit's playing here on the towel. I'm just having fun with the corner of a towel. Go figure. Orbit wants to check out that water bottle, but he's just not so sure about it. They're doing really well, just pottying on their grass pad. I don't see any mistakes out in the play area. Every once in a while you'll see one just squat on that blue, the blue pad, the blue paw print pad, and go potty, but at least they're going in that area. But most of the time it's on the grass, so they're doing so well. And it makes things easier for you as owners, because you have a way for your puppy to be successful until you get them fully housebroken. Millie's puppies are 6 weeks old today. And then Monet is 7 weeks old, turning 8 weeks old on Monday. So this is Thursday. So they're 7.5 weeks. Play with that food dish. They love their food and they gobble it up really fast. All right, so there you have Monet and Millie's puppies.